If you wish to control the amount of time you or your child spends on YouTube, you can set limits through the screen time settings. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your device. Select Screen Time and tap on it. If you haven't set it up yet, follow the prompts to create a screen time. Tap on App Limits and select Add Limit. Select the YouTube app here. For example, set a limit of 2 hours and 15 minutes. Apply the limits by tapping Add in the top right corner to enforce the new limit. Once set, YouTube will be restricted to the time limit you specified. After reaching the limit, the app will be inaccessible until the next day. This should help manage screen time effectively.